So this is not just a question for medical affairs. This is a question for evidence generation in general. We heard just a few minutes ago about real-world evidence. What we're trying to promote in my organization, and as GSK, not just medical affairs, is to say, well, what is the right question? Identify the right questions first, and then identify the right method to answer that question. There are so many different data sources available to us today than just a few years ago that we need to be very nimble and flexible, that we don't just need to do a clinical trial. So in my organization, especially in the R&D side, they default to, well, if we have to answer this question, then we need to have this really large clinical trial. Instead of that, what are the other ways we can answer it? It could be our usual observational methods. It could be pragmatic clinical trials. It could be other types of RWE. It could be sensors. It could be data sources that we've never considered before, in terms of big data, whatever that means. I mean, the definitions of these things are kind of all over the place. But it's really identifying the right questions first, and then identifying the different ways that you can answer them, and really looking at all the options on the table.